Hey folks, we are back again with a new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about speaker. And not just speaker, we're gonna talk about compact speaker. We're gonna talk about a good sound of symphony in your palm. But before doing that, check out our very own application, the Radness Tech app. If you're curious to know about technology and would like to stay updated in few minutes about the latest tech and tech news, download it right now. We also have monthly giveaways of some amazing rad techs. So why the wait? Pause the video right now, install the app and try your luck. The link is given in the description box below. Coming back, let's get started with this video. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to notified whenever a new video drops in. Today we have for you JBL's very own Infinity Fuze Pint. Do you want an amazing sound speaker that can fit in your pocket? Then this is the stop for you. The JBL Infinity is designed for voice supremacy along with compactness. Let me break down the pros and cons. It is super tiny. Something as amazing and loud that can fit into your palm is considerably amazing. Despite its cute tiny size, the sound quality is pretty cool. You would be surprised to know that you have a voice assistant feature through which you can give commands for various actions that you can execute.
In Panji today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecast high of 34 and a low of 27. Currently it's 33 degrees and partly cloudy.
The audio quality depends on the version of the Bluetooth that your device supports. So the later the version, the better the audio will sound. Will sound. You can perform multiple functions only with the power button. Tap the power button once to choose either play or pause. Tap it 3 times to activate deep bass, and you can adjust it as per your needs. Despite its compact size, the battery on this little one is pretty impressive. Furthermore, you can also receive or decline phone calls through Bluetooth connection, and as per our experience, it's quite compelling. About things that we didn't appreciate is the inability to access volume controls due to lack of physical volume rockers. The tactile feedback sometimes feel a little lackluster as the response time lags and sometimes performs a function that you don't intend to activate. It's available in 3 colors: charcoal black, mystic blue and passion red for you to choose from. Overall, we at Radness believe that it is an amazing speaker, especially taking into regards its price, size and the fact that it's manufactured by JBL, which means the speakers are powered by Harman Kardon. In this price range and the fact that you can access Google Assistant is pretty sweet deal. You can buy this Infinity speaker on Amazon at around 850 rupees. Check the link to buy in the description and bag yourself an amazing deal. And do let us know in the comment section what do you think about JBL Infinity speaker. So I hope you had fun watching this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button and share this video as much as you can. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you are the first one to get some fresh new content. Comment down what do you think about our views and take on JBL Infinity speakers. Until then, this is Ayush signing off. Stay safe and stay rad.